Hi, welcome to my channel, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can lower your blood pressure today. I know that high blood pressure is a common problem, and it can be really scary. But I also know that there are things you can do to lower your blood pressure and improve your health. In this video, I'm going to talk about the carnivore diet and how it can help you lower your blood pressure. I'm also going to give you some tips on how to get started on the carnivore diet. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that consists of only animal products. This means that you can eat meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, but you can't eat any plant-based foods. The carnivore diet is a relatively new diet, but it's gaining popularity because of its potential health benefits. Some of the potential benefits of the carnivore diet include weight loss, improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, improved mental clarity, lowered blood pressure. How does the carnivore diet lower blood pressure? There are a few reasons why the carnivore diet may help lower blood pressure. First, the diet is high in fat. Fat helps to raise HDL, good cholesterol, and lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Both of these changes can help lower blood pressure. Second, the carnivore diet is low in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can raise blood sugar levels, which can put stress on the heart and contribute to high blood pressure. Third, the carnivore diet is anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a major factor in many chronic diseases, including high blood pressure. By reducing inflammation, the carnivore diet may help lower blood pressure. How to get started on the carnivore diet? If you're interested in trying the carnivore diet, there are a few things you need to know. First, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet. Your doctor can help you determine if the carnivore diet is right for you and can help you create a safe and effective plan. Once you've talked to your doctor, you can start the carnivore diet. The best way to start is to simply eliminate all plant-based foods from your diet. This includes fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and nuts. It's important to note that you may experience some side effects when you first start the carnivore diet. These side effects can include headaches, fatigue, constipation, diarrhea. These side effects are usually temporary and will go away within a few days or weeks. If you experience any side effects that are severe or don't go away, talk to your doctor. The carnivore diet is a potential option for people who want to lower their blood pressure. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet. Your doctor can help you determine if the carnivore diet is right for you and can help you create a safe and effective plan. If you do decide to try the carnivore diet, be sure to start slowly and gradually increase the amount of animal products you eat. This will help your body adjust to the new diet and reduce the risk of side effects. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.